Your job is already being replaced. You just haven't been told yet. This is not about robots taking factory jobs. This is about artificial intelligence taking every job. The numbers are in, the data is real, and the results will shock you. This was the world of work just 2 years ago. Busy, human, alive. This is the same world today. Empty, silent, automated. Goldman Sachs ran the numbers. 300 million jobs gone within this decade. 300 million people replaced. Not eventually, now. This is what a call center looks like today. No humans, just AI, handling millions of calls simultaneously. Your resume means nothing to an algorithm that processes 10,000 applications in 4 seconds. It started with the factories, humans doing everything by hand, every single day.
Then one morning, the machines arrived, and they never left. First, the banks replaced tellers with ATMs. Nobody noticed. Nobody complained. Then Amazon built warehouses with no workers, just robots, moving at speeds no human could match. Then the lawyers discovered AI could review contracts faster than any team of partners. Every industry, every profession, every skill, being analyzed, being automated, being replaced. Truck drivers were next. 3.5 million of them in America alone. Self-driving technology is already here. Then the doctors. AI diagnosed cancer from scans with higher accuracy than radiologists with 30 years experience. The journalists thought they were safe. Creative work could never be automated. They were wrong. Walk into any newsroom today. Count the empty desks. Then count the AI terminals that replace them. The stock market has not had a human making real-time decisions in years. Algorithms do it in microseconds. Your brain processes information in seconds, every single time. Banks used to employ thousands of tellers. Today, 2 machines do the work of an entire branch. You worked your entire life building a career. One software update made it obsolete overnight. Universities are still teaching skills that will not exist as jobs by the time students graduate. McKinsey confirmed it. 60% of all occupations have at least 30% of their tasks fully automatable right now. The journalist typing away believed creativity was irreplaceable. AI wrote the same article in 4 seconds. Surgeons believed their hands could never be replaced. Robotic surgical systems now operate with superhuman precision. The architects spent years perfecting their craft. AI generates 50 optimized building designs before breakfast. The map of American jobs is changing in real time. Red zones spreading from tech hubs outward like a wave nobody can stop. The middle of the day used to mean empty neighborhoods, everyone at work. Not anymore. These hands are trembling, not from cold, from the realization that 30 years of experience just became worthless. The people building these tools are not losing sleep over your career. They are celebrating the productivity numbers. The robot performed surgery with 0 errors, 0 tremors, 0 fatigue, 0 lunch breaks. By 2030, we are not talking about maybe. We are talking about certainty. 40% of jobs gone. 1,000 people showed up to a job fair. Every hiring booth was an AI kiosk. No humans interviewing, no humans deciding. He stood in front of the machine that replaced his entire team. 22 years of experience, made redundant in one Tuesday afternoon. Packages sorted, orders fulfilled, deliveries optimized. 2 humans watching screens where 500 once worked. You wrote the marketing campaign. You spent 3 days perfecting it. AI produced 12 better versions in 8 seconds. The scale is incomprehensible. Millions of packages, 0 human hands touching them. The lawyers built careers on research and precedent. AI searched 10,000 cases in 90 seconds and found what they missed. She did not quit. She was made redundant. The removal trucks came before she finished clearing her desk.
These adults are retraining at 47 years old, learning to code, learning to adapt, racing against an algorithm that learns faster than any human ever could. The World Economic Forum was very specific. 85 million jobs displaced, 97 million new ones created, but requiring skills most current workers do not have. The gap between what workers know and what the AI economy needs is not a crack, it is a canyon. The creative directors, the copywriters, the strategists, now it is just 2 people reviewing what AI generated overnight. Universal basic income was once a fringe idea. Today, it is being seriously debated in 17 countries because the math is undeniable. They marched, they protested, they carried signs. The servers kept running. The robot played Chopin perfectly. Every note, every timing, technically flawless, and completely without soul. 2035, the year experts agree will be the point of no return for human employment as we currently understand it. Behind these windows tonight, emergency meetings are happening. Governments trying to write policy fast enough to matter. This child doing homework tonight will enter a job market that does not yet exist, and her parent sitting beside her knows it. They are 53 years old, learning Python, because the alternative is giving up.
The mall that once employed 400 people now employs 11, and those 11 are wondering how long they have. She has sent 240 applications, 0 responses. Every job listing now says AI experience preferred. The investors applauded the productivity numbers, the profit margins, the efficiency gains. Nobody in that room mentioned the 300 million people. What is the future of work? It is the question everyone is searching, and nobody has an answer that does not hurt. One human, surrounded, standing still, while everything closes in. The classroom is empty, but the AI tutoring program is running, teaching nobody, waiting for the children who will inherit this world. Everything you worked for, everything you built, fed into a machine and shredded. Is this a new dawn, or the last sunrise of the world as we knew it? Nobody knows, and that is the most terrifying part. If nobody else is going to tell you the truth about what is coming, we will. Subscribe to Dark Files AI, because you deserve to know.